that? How to rev an R8.
She's revving back there. That is awesome.
Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you clicking on today's video. We're doing something today that I've never done. We're bringing both of the cars to a Cars and Coffee this morning. That's the cool part. The scary part, my girlfriend's gonna be driving the R8. Unfortunately, she does not know how to drive a manual, so I'll be bringing the Z06. We could just both go in one car, but I've never had both of them at a meet, so I thought it'd be pretty cool. But the fastest thing she has ever driven in her entire life is her Toyota Corolla. And look, I'm not trying to say I have the fastest thing on the road here, but this car is a smidge faster than the Toyota Corolla, especially now with the VF supercharger. So I think she'll be able to handle it though, because again, it's basically an automatic, and if you behave, which she will, it'll be fine. He is not a car person at all, so getting her to get up early on a Sunday and drive an hour and drive a car, a fast car, out to a car meet and spend time for a couple hours with cars, she's probably not gonna be super stoked. So let's go wake up the beast. Are you excited? You know you're driving a car most people would die for. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing out of the garage for her. The cold start is very tame, dude, very tame. All right, there we go, she's all set. Only rules are don't wreck it and don't curb it.
If she curbs it, we have some Brixton forged carbon fiber, full carbon fiber barrel wheels, and
I don't know if I'll be able to forgive her for that one.
all right, that thing's warming up. Need to come and warm up the old beast. This one takes a little longer. That's that car. This one doesn't smell. It'll drive like a normal car. Just please, 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 please do not curb the wheels. That is it. That is the only requirement. Please. You've never even ridden in this car. You're about to drive it. Sure you don't want to drive that?
I forgot my vitamins.
Please do not wreck this thing. Please.
I need my sunglasses. So I only have to pull it down once? Just once? Is it okay in dynamic?
Pull it down one more. There you go.
X1? Let's go.
Come on, be cool, be cool, be cool. Yes! Good job! Good job! She's not gonna do that though. The hottest thing she's ever done in the 5 years we've been together. That's the hottest thing she's ever done. I'll tell you what, when I met her working at Sky Zone when I was 19 years old, did not think that we would be driving an R8 and a Z06 to a car meet. That's for damn sure.
doesn't actually know is that I actually like this car a lot more than all of the others. Which is like crazy to say, but I really like it. It drives slightly smooth. I hate the brakes. But other than that, it smells like clean car. It looks like clean car. My thighs don't get stuck. They get stuck slightly, but not that bad. It is Mary approved. Everybody's taking videos and pictures of this car. I think it's very funny because everybody's like, I'm gonna laugh if like a mass herd of like people come to his car. Am I just following him? Thank you.
All these are out of budget. Oh, look.
That's yours.
That is mine. This is the nicer version of mine.
It has a baby seat in the car.
Oh, a car seat?
I love that.
Oh, it's an SV. Mom car shopping. What do you think?
Really tall.
It is really tall. It's a mom car.
I thought it was Hello Kitty.
You leave, there's going to be a lot of cameras, which means two things. One, you kind of have to hit it a little bit. And two,
I'll get pulled over.
don't wreck it.
I'll get pulled over.
You don't need to hit it that hard, but like, you know, a little bit.
Like a...
Yeah. Yeah, a little rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Wheel check. Did you hit any curbs?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
100%? Don't let the people down when we leave.
It's big.
If you get a ticket, I'll pay for it. This car's tag is expired, by the way.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put Okay, let me go first. Okay! Oh my god. Okay, we're past the hard part. I don't know how to do that. How do I do that? How to rev an R8. You shift into neutral. Okay, I got it. Are we gonna do it? Probably not. I was calling to ask how do I rev this because people asked and I don't know how to do that. I looked it up, I googled it. No. Hey, bye. Okay, wait, how do I? Wait. Oh. Wait, how do I? Oh.
We ended up getting home safe and sound. I lost a lot of footage because I accidentally recorded in slow motion, but she did manage to get the R8 home somehow. Managed to keep the carbon fiber wheels in perfect condition. So we get the points there. On the way home, she learned how to use the paddles and got a little bit more comfortable.
That is awesome.
We need the overall thoughts now that you've driven it. What did you think?
Like I said, I think this one's my favorite car. And I think we should go get me one right now.
Well,
Right now.
well, I don't think we can do that.
Like right now.
Well, I don't think we
Or
can.
I could just have yours.
I don't think we could do that. Well, I think it's safe to say that she enjoyed this thing. I don't know if we quite turned her into a car girl,
But we at least turned her into somebody that approves my purchase of an Audi R8. So that's all that really matters.
as for what's next with this thing, I'm actually bringing it to Texas for TX2K. Obviously not to race. It is nowhere near fast enough. But my company, Moxy Performance, is actually a sponsor at TX2K. So we are going to have the car shipped out there. It's going to be nice to drive this thing around with all the other guys. Now with the VF supercharger.
They do have a ton of meets and everything at TX2K. Last year I didn't get to go because the one car I had was my race car, which was at the track. This, I'm going to be just driving it around town, going to the meets, going to the little hangouts, so it should be cool. We should get to hang out with a ton of people. But as far as this video goes, that is going to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next with this thing. I am thinking some launches, draggy numbers, stuff like that, but that's going to be after we get back from 2K. But that is going to do it for this one. I need to go meet the transporter for this car in an hour. So that is going to wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you in the next one. Peace.